In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slide Master View in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into it. Slide Master View is a powerful feature in PowerPoint that allows you to control the overall look and feel of your presentation from a single place. It's especially helpful if you're working on a large presentation or if you want to maintain consistency throughout your slides. To get started, open PowerPoint and create a new presentation, or open an existing one that you'd like to modify. Once you have your presentation open, head over to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the View tab. Here, you'll see a button that says Slide Master. Go ahead and click on that. This action takes you into the Slide Master view, and you'll notice that the left-hand side of the screen now displays your slide layouts. At the top of this panel, there's the Slide Master itself. This master slide acts as the template for every slide in your presentation. Now let's look at what you can do here. First, on the Slide Master, you can add your logo, change the background, or update the title font. For example, if you'd like to change the background, right-click on the slide and select Format Background. Here you can choose a solid color, gradient, or even an image as your background. This will apply to all slides based on this master. Next, let's customize the font. Click on the text area where the title typically appears. You can select the font style and size from the Home tab, just like you normally would in a regular slide. If you want to change the bullet points or paragraph style, you can do that here too. Once you set your preferences, all slides using this master will automatically implement those font changes. All right, now that you've made those adjustments, you'll also want to think about the layouts. Just below the Slide Master, you'll notice several slide layouts. These layouts determine how your content will be arranged. If you click on one of the layouts, like the title slide or content slide, you can customize it just like you did with the master slide. For example, you can arrange where the text and images should go, or even add placeholder images that you plan to fill later. After you're satisfied with your changes, you can close out of the Slide Master view by clicking on the Slide Master tab in the ribbon again, then selecting Close Master View. You will be returned to your normal presentation mode, where you can create new slides using your newly designed layouts. One of the best things about using Slide Master View is that if you ever need to make changes down the road, you can just go back to Slide Master View and modify the template, and your changes will reflect across all slides in your presentation instantly. This not only saves you time, but it also keeps everything looking cohesive and professional. So, that's how you use Slide Master View in PowerPoint. Don't forget, the next time you need to create a presentation, take advantage of this helpful feature for a more streamlined and polished outcome. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video